Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a session in Reddy Book. First, open the Reddy Book application on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options. Look for the Live Sessions or Scheduled Events section, usually prominently displayed. Tapping this will reveal a list of available sessions. Choose one that aligns with your interests or schedule and prepare to join. Once you've selected a session, you'll see a countdown or a Join Session button. Click this button precisely when the session is scheduled to begin. Before joining, a quick check of your microphone and camera settings is wise to ensure clear communication. During the session, feel free to use the integrated chat function to ask questions or engage with the host and other attendees. It's a great way to enhance your experience. To get the most out of your Reddy Book session, active participation is key. Pay close attention to the host's instructions and any visual aids presented. Many sessions include interactive elements like polls or question and answer segments. Don't hesitate to contribute your thoughts. Consider keeping a notepad handy to jot down important points or new ideas. This helps reinforce learning and makes the session more valuable for you. After the session ends, take a moment to review any summaries or additional resources provided by the host. Your feedback is incredibly valuable, so consider sharing your thoughts on the session to help improve future events. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These can truly simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.